Okay, I've tried to get rid of these scratches, smudge marks. I bought this car, and the guy who owned it, or woman who owned it, must have had a dog or something. I mean, every surface in here has got these scuff marks and scratches. And I tried the heat gun thing, and it kind of worked, but it takes a long time, and sometimes it melts a little too much. And then this morning I thought, why not try to paint it? Only I didn't want to like spray paint the whole inside, make a big mess of it. So I decided to do it kind of like a stain. And I just got a semi-gloss black enamel, and I spray it on a piece of cloth, and then just wipe it on. Do it a couple times. You can already see it looks way better. And you just smear it. A couple squirts. See you do it. Do it up there. You can see it already looks a billion times better. No heat gun. Just do it over and over again until you pretty much covered all the scuffs. So all you need is plastic gloves, an old rag, and some semi-gloss enamel.